Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So we want to see what I picked up this month. I literally film these all the time, so I'm like, girl, we do have quite a few things. We definitely added a few things since I've been there last. So if you want to see what I picked up this time, just keep on watching. Let's talk about the most like random things that I picked up recently was these Amopé gel active invisible gel heel protectors. So it does come with one pair in here, and I will be going to my mom's wedding party situation celebration, and I am gonna go today to buy some heels. So I thought, like, let me think ahead just in case I need these. I already had them on hand, so I went ahead and picked up 2 packs of these, and it does say that these are new and it comes with 1 pair. So I hope that these work out for me and that my feet aren't hurting the whole night. I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Crest plus scoped outlast toothpaste. This is like essentials. So yeah, I have 2 of them in here. You know, just might as well pick them up, and I like to buy 2 at a time just so I can have them and be okay for a while, and then go back buy 2 more. So yeah, love this, and these are actually really good. I have a random like hair product. This is from Spa Luxury. I have tried their body washes before, which I really like, and I think they have a couple of like skincare products as well, but I saw this professional styling mousse to give my hair more of a voluminous vibe. So this is the extra hold for style and control, volume and body products. So yeah, wanted to use this and see my thoughts. I have an update on my Barbie tissues. They're here. I finally found them. Yeah, they had the 6-pack of Barbie tissues once again. So they had quite a few at the Dollar Tree that I went to. So I picked up 2 packs, so 12 tissues. So right when we walked in, they had so much Easter decor. It is crazy. But in the Easter decor, for some reason, these were there, and I had actually seen them a couple months ago. Just didn't buy them. Don't know why, but this time, I don't know, they caught my eye. So these are the Be Pure makeup sponge set. This one comes with 2 sponges in here. It looks like a little ice cream, and again, 2-piece, and it is like a teal sponge and a brown sponge. So cutie. And then we also have the blender with handle, which I thought was interesting. So the handle's like that plastic kind of vibe. It's holding the sponge. Both of them are teal, so these are so cute. I cannot pass up on them, so I am going to be using these in a future full face of Dollar Tree. I've purchased these before, I've decluttered them before, and yet here they lie again in my collection. These are the LA Colors Gelato lip balms. So basically they're just like kind of EOS vibes. So these are different, I hope. Yeah, this one here is in creamsicle, and then we have the shade vanilla. So these actually do smell really good from what I remember. I'm not gonna open them just yet. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them, to be honest. So yeah, they're just kind of there for now, but there's a look at the 2 lip balms. And lastly, they did add a lot of different versions of this LA Colors nail polish. We have the LA Colors Perfect Pair nail glitter and polish. There's a look at that. We also have the other one that comes with the glitter, which is in silver lining. Comes with a purple polish and some nail glitter in there as well. These are really pretty, and this one here is in rosé all day. So there's a look at those 2. I just had to pick them all up for some reason or another. So cute. I have this set here that comes with a lip gloss, so I thought that was interesting. This is a Perfect Pair gloss and nail polish, and this one here is in Berry Sweet, Feeling Wild, which is so cute, and the shade Melancholy. So let me go ahead and put them together so you guys can compare the vibes. There's a look at all 3 shades. All right, so those were the last products from today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have you seen any of these products? Have you picked them up? Your thoughts on them, let me know in the comments. Don't forget that I do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below with all these videos. I film these videos all the time on my channel because Dollar Tree is an expensive, girl, and they have some cute stuff. Also, I again have the playlist. I also do full faces and such things, ranking videos, things like that. So if you like that, definitely stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.